Hello student, myself Vinod Panara, and today we discuss some topic of IC engine chapter of BME, that is Basic Mechanical Engineering. So first we discuss terminology used in IC engine. Now this is diagram of simple engine. In this diagram there is an inlet valve, outlet valve, piston, cylinder, connecting rod, crank, etc. Now here there is a TDC and BDC. So TDC, that is top dead center, BDC, that is bottom dead center. And piston move in reciprocating motion and crank rotate in rotary motion. Then position of crank in diagram, that is denoted by 0, 90, 180, 270, etc. So first one, in terminology, first TDC, that is top dead center, and it is uppermost position of piston in cylinder. So the uppermost position of piston in cylinder is called TDC. Second one, BDC, the bottom position of piston in cylinder is called BDC, that is bottom dead center. Then clearance volume, it is denoted by VC. So the volume contained in cylinder above the piston from its top dead center position is called clearance volume. It means the volume between TDC and cylinder top position. The volume between TDC and cylinder top position, that is called clearance volume. And clearance volume, that is required in every engine to remove some amount of friction. So clearance volume, that is provided in engine, and it is denoted by VC. Then stroke volume, it is denoted by VS, and stroke volume is also known as swept volume. So the volume between TDC and BDC is called stroke volume. It is denoted by VS, and formula of VS is pi by 4 D square L, where D is diameter of cylinder and L stroke length. Now next one, that is stroke or stroke length, it is denoted by small l. The distance between TDC and BDC is called stroke. Then compression ratio, it is denoted by small r. The ratio of cylinder volume to clearance volume is called compression ratio. And compression ratio R is equal to VS plus VC divided by VC. It means total volume divided by clearance volume. And range of compression ratio for petrol engine is 6 to 10, and for diesel engine is 14 to 20. Okay. Then piston speed, the average speed of piston is called piston speed, and formula of piston pin is 2LN. What do you mean by L? That is stroke length, and capital N, that is engine speed. So formula of piston speed, that is 2L capital N. Now we discuss, that is important topic, 4-stroke petrol engine. So it is called 4-stroke SI engine. What do you mean by SI? Spark ignition, and it is also known as 4-stroke auto engine. So this is diagram of 4-stroke petrol engine. In this diagram there is an inlet valve, outlet valve, piston, piston pin, connecting rod, crank, crank pin, etc. TDC means top dead center and BDC means bottom dead center. And in this diagram, crank position is represented by 0, 90, 180, 270, etc. And in this diagram, there is a spark plug because that is petrol engine. So spark plug is provided. What is function of spark plug? It provides spark to the mixture of air and petrol. So combustion of fuel start. So in this diagram, there is a spark plug. Now, Otto cycle that is developed by German engineer, that is Otto, in 1862. And in this engine, one cycle completed in 4 stroke or 2 revolution of crankshaft. So one cycle completed in 4 piston stroke, that is suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke and exhaust stroke. Now we discuss this stroke one by one. So first one, that is suction stroke. So in suction stroke, during this stroke, piston move from TDC to BDC. It means top to bottom, and inlet valve that is open and outlet valve remain closed. And due to movement of piston, some amount of vacuum that is produced above the piston. So due to this, mixture of air and petrol that is enter into cylinder by inlet valve. So during suction stroke, piston move from TDC to BDC, crank rotate from 0 to 180 degree, inlet valve open, outlet valve close, and due to movement of piston, vacuum create, and due to this one, mixture of air and petrol that is enter into cylinder by inlet valve. And at the end of first stroke, cylinder is completely filled by mixture and inlet valve close. Now second one, that is compression stroke. So during compression stroke, piston move from BDC to TDC and crank rotate from 180 to 0 degree. And during this stroke, inlet valve and outlet valve both are closed. And due to upward movement of piston, mixture compress, so pressure and temperature of mixture increase. And at the end of second stroke, the mixture is ignited by spark plug, so combustion of fuel start and high temperature gas release. So ignition start at the end of second stroke. And during second stroke, piston move from BDC to TDC, crank rotate from 180 to 0 degree. Now third stroke, that is expansion stroke, which is also known as power stroke. So during this stroke, the inlet valve and exhaust valve remain closed and high temperature gas, high pressure gas that is produced at the end of second stroke that push down piston from TDC to BDC. So it create motive power. So during expansion stroke, piston move from TDC to BDC, crank rotate from 0 to 180 degree, and due to movement of piston, motive power that is produced. and both valves are closed. Now, last one, that is exhaust stroke. So during this stroke, piston move from BDC to TDC, the inlet valve remain closed and exhaust valve that is open. And during movement of piston in upward direction, this high temperature remaining gas that is released into atmosphere by outlet valve. So this is fourth one, exhaust stroke. So one cycle completed in 4 stroke, suction, compression, power and exhaust. During first stroke, mixture enter into cylinder. During second stroke, at the end of second stroke, mixture ignite and high temperature gas release. During third stroke, power produced due to movement of piston, and during fourth stroke, this remaining high temperature gas release into atmosphere. So this is about 4-stroke petrol engine. It is also called 4-stroke SI engine. What do you mean by SI? Spark ignition. And it is also called 4-stroke Otto engine. So in this lecture, we discuss basic terminology of engine, that is TDC, BDC, clearance volume, stroke length, piston speed and compression ratio, and also we discuss 4-stroke petrol engine. Okay, thank you.